So hi everyone, आज है 21 तारीख and सोमवार का दिन फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन ऑफ द वीक एंड मार्केट इज ओपनिंग ऑन स्लाइटली हायर नोट जो कि ठीक ठाक गैप अप है। तो यहाँ पर पॉसिबली अगर रेड कैंडल आता है तो एक अपर डिपिंग देखने को मिल सकती है हमें फॉर विच वी आर नॉट प्लान। अगर आती है तो अपर डिपिंग, अदरवाइज विल बी नॉट गोइंग फॉर अ गुड साइड ट्रेड हियर आफ्टर। एक जो प्रोबेबिलिटी ये रहती है कि बिल्कुल मार्केट और कितना नीचे आएगा, दैट मेंटालिटी विल बी देयर। एंड लो जो बना है सेंसेक्स के अंदर which is on 78,776 एंड बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी सेम काइंड ऑफ एक स्ट्रक्चर बना है। विल वेटिंग फॉर वेट फॉर अ ब्रेक। तो उनके साथ एक अच्छा राउंड नंबर भी है आसपास। यहाँ पर भी जो राउंड नंबर था 79,000 का, उसका ब्रेकआउट भी हो चुका है कंप्लीटली, राइट। तो अभी फर्दर क्या पॉसिबल है यहाँ पर, 200 का एक लेवल है जहाँ से मार्केट अगर रेजिस्टेंस लेगा तो फिर हम एक फॉल साइड की तरफ जा सकते हैं। बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी एक जो राउंड नंबर है अभी ब्रेकआउट हुआ है 55,000, एक बहुत ही तगड़ा मेजर राउंड नंबर है। बैंक निफ्टी इज एट ऑल टाइम हाई, देखना पड़ेगा 55,000 आसपास कैसा गेट करता है। देखो सेलर्स को तो जो रैंडम बायर्स थे उनको तो टारगेट नहीं किया जा सकता, बट यस मोमेंटम होते हैं। देखते मैं स्ट्राइक प्राइसेस ऐड कर लेता हूँ जरूर। और उनके प्रीमियम्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़े हुए हैं। प्रीमियम्स के हिसाब से वो यहाँ पर बहुत अगर कुछ हो सकता है, ऊपर की तरफ से थोड़ा सा रिजेक्शन तो शो किया है मार्केट ने, लेकिन जो वो वाला प्रीमियम है जो कि हमारा आउट ऑफ द मनी प्रीमियम है, वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ दिखाई दे रहा है कंपैरेटिवली फ्रॉम द इन द मनी प्रीमियम। तो आउट ऑफ द मनी की प्रीमियम में अगर स्ट्रेंथ दिखाई देता है, that means a clear indication that market has taken resistance from exactly 24,000. There is 1 minute some seconds left for the candle closing. Before that next candle probably could be, because it has taken resistance from exact round numbers. So that's why getting confident that whenever it does same, तो कभी अगर सेम सिनेरियो बनता है तो on that moment market may fear the participants. Let's see. We'll wait for our trade on. And there is no as such positivity in put option also, so that we can do here. If I go now, if I am going to predict the next candle, then I can have positioning put also. So I have taken position in put option because it is all about the next candle, right? So not going for put is not about option. But yes, you could have get a good price at this point. So here probably the logic behind this trade I will explain you, but let me go first on this first. So in order to explain the logic, I think they should wait for 143. When I placed it at 140, so multiply it to 143. But 143 has a trauma for me. It got 140 also. So no worries because it has broken the day low. No doubt it can go, but the problem here is this is the high, right? So people will be placing stop losses here only. People will be placing stop losses here only. So going for a next candle trade, if I would be entering here, then it would be great. But this is the theory, right? So if you look at Nifty also, probably there could be a great trade when you can go for call option. But for that to be got, उसके लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा ताकि अगर यहाँ कहीं पे क्लोजिंग प्राइस पे या स्विंग का ब्रेकडाउन वगैरह होता है, then after it can probably have a good target. For sure, there will be one continuation. The point it has taken support from is not looking so much good. Look, whatever happening here is clearly visible that market is showing negativity to the put option buyers, right? So possibility could be this would be a trap, and the call option could provide you. Okay, so this is what I am saying about only one candle retracement sufficient enough to create the essence of people above. यहाँ पर स्पॉट के हिसाब से ये देखना पड़ेगा कि the downside if people places stop losses because it has taken support exactly from the closing price, it can come and trap those also. I would say if at this point also put option is looking good only, and which will have taken place. But what we can see clearly is market has taken the stop losses on the first candle, so that's why there would be lesser possibility of going down bound to take the stop losses here also. So what about this trade which I have taken? Because market is taking resistance at 24,000. So higher possibility would be देखो एक भी कैंडल नो डाउट सस्टेन नहीं हुआ, but क्योंकि taking resistance at 24,000, one red candle would definitely create or allow the people to book the losses or book the holdings, because many more people would be taking buying side trade on the random or the random buyers who don't have the capacity to hold. They would be probably getting out from the market because it has taken resistance from 24,000. And definitely, no doubt, we can wait for a more, at least till this. But the issue comes here is because market is in a buying trend. So whenever an red candle comes, people will be trying to sell here, thinking that it has grown up so much, it has gone up so much, how much it will go. So people will be thinking that also. I am against that thought also. Exiting from this trade, I think probably would be a good decision. We'll get to know after some time. But my target is at 920 candle or 925 candle. So why I need to look at what could be happen in the whole day. Right? So probably let's see. I don't know what would be. Okay, so market is coming clearly to take the stop losses. What is the low it has made? So low it has made is 107. So definitely VIX is a little bit high. That's why it has made a low of 107. Our entry is at 116 and it has made a low of 107. Probably our SL would be got hit if I am placing that much of tight stop loss. But before the momentum ends, I have exited the trade, which is a decent thing only because going for a call option is in my mind right now. What happened here is people would be placing the stop losses on the higher level. If I tell about from the perspective of option sellers, and if I think about option buyers, people would be placing stop losses on the closing price because market has taken, or at least the beginning has taken support from them. So at least what would be possible is if market comes here and goes like this, that is also there. And if not, it has trapped the sellers, trapped the buyers who have bought the call option in such a way that they would be exiting from their position looking at these candles. So I would say if our next entry would be there, then probably this would be on 99. Looking at the candles in the spot, I'm not getting that much of confidence for going into outside premium because there is a clear rejection from the downside. And Tuktu will come and buy into the market and place the stop loss down here, looking at the hammers and all. So going at this point is not a well good decision. I think there would be next selling side momentum possible year after. So for that we need to wait for what I think I should probably tell you that what my plan is. No doubt I would be going for a mindset trade only. But question is where? Here it has broken the day low, and after that it is making kind of OGS and hammers in between this range only, right? So my probability of going for a call side trade would be here only at this point of time, because it has taken all the stop losses from the downside, and I am not in a plan that market will target these buyers as of now. So on our entry of 99, we have seen a close to somewhere around 7 points of momentum in our direction. But I will be waiting for 74,000 reports. Definitely, I am telling about a fake entry. That would be there, 24,000 breakout, and from that 24,080 till momentum possibly. Because at 100 we will be looking densely there. But before that, 20 to 30 points lower than that would be good target here. But yes, we need to look at this premium, what happens there, because probably next entry would be in this premium only. What in if we tell about what in this premium, how much momentum I am expecting. So premium hereafter, if this spot goes 24,000 to 24,080, so as per this premium, it should move at least, in case of 80 points, it should move 20 to 30 points, not more than that, because it is slightly out of the money option. So it has some value of theta in it. The more it will stay here, the more time decay will be one of faced by the option buyers. So let's see what's the premium and both in both ATM and OTM also. So we need to look how much the momentum happens. So let's have a look on the premium. So as per premium, it has moved close to 20 points. Because as I told you, for 24,000 breakout will be minimum here. And after that it is going like hell. At least 55,200 breakout is expected in bank Nifty. And in Nifty also, further 10 to 40 points of momentum till this point will be minimum what is expected. And this premium will smoothly move to, you can say, 129 or 130, because the momentum kind of it has done. Probably would be a, because देखो एक major round number है बैंक निफ्टी all time high पे है. Can you imagine in all this negativity of Trump and bullshit around the market, global market, banks are unaffected from that. Means our banks are saying like, boss तुम जो होना है वो लो, हम बढ़ते चलेंगे. 55,000, which is the people would be who would be placing ETF or ETF orders and everything related to banking stocks. They would be sitting in a great profit with being chilling on Goa beach. So probably Bank Nifty is the most unaffected area of around all the global disturbance that is happening right now. And Nifty also. Can you imagine 24,000? In the previous week only, we have seen the level of 21,800. Can you just think of what happened right now? 21,800 and where is 24,000? In a span of 1 week. So the dumb people would be thinking that इतना चला गया market और ही कितना जाएगा. Market will tell them that it will go beyond their imagination, because the momentum it has done is close to 2,200 points. Can you imagine 2,000 points of momentum in Nifty in 1 week? It is not a joke. So probably market is in a clear bull run, and our portfolios will be coming into green most likely this week only. Our long-term portfolios will be coming into green only. So that is the good news about market. Our Indian markets are recovered completely, so people would be scaring that what will happen to market, what will Trump do? Nothing can do. No one can do anything. just that the momentum. Okay, so if I tell you about the premium, it, definitely as per OTM option, it is not have gone that much. In the ATM option, in slightly OTM option, already close to 40 points of momentum. Or say 20 points of momentum, 20 to 20, 50 points of momentum happened easily. Not in this premium. This will go only, but it is the market, yeah, market nature. It will go after removing you only. So let's see if I can get momentum till 24,080, then it would be great to people who will be placing the stop losses there only. The momentum is not fast because you can understand that it has, if you came across a destination by traveling 2000 kilometers, you will be feeling lazy. Like that's why market is feeling lazy right now to go, but it will go slowly only by opposing the mindset of people that is not chala gaya mindset. Like on the premium also, we have got somewhere close to in our safe position only. We have got somewhere close to 20 points. Let's see how much in the sense 24,100 breakout we could possibly see or not. Let's see.
So as per decision and analysis, market has gone till 137, and our fake entry would be from 99, as I decided here, and close to 40 points we are getting easily. Definitely, we can hold more, but probably we need to sit in a trade first. As per one trade a day rule, I have kind of got the target, little bit from the down from the expectation only. But yes, probably the best entry possible in the call side would be at this place when market has broken the day low in the premium, and after that it has started rallying. So if I would be sitting in this also, it would be great. But no worries, पैसा आना चाहिए. That doesn't matter from which side I am getting the money. But yes, probably the best possible entry could be in the call side only, as per the trending buying side market. So no issues with that. Probably this is not the last trade I am going to take in my life, and there are many trades in future that I am going to take. So I will be keeping this in mind that if once market is in a bull run and I am getting a day low breakdown, that means enough accumulation or enough fear is getting created inside the people's mind. So there is no need to worry about it. We can hold the trade for a great extent of target. So till this point, 24,080 hasn't reached right now. Sorry. But you have got the target as per the premium. So I can wait for little bit more till 149. If I would be sitting in this position, I'll be waiting for 149 at least, because there is no point of taking resistance here because all the three indices are looking good only. It will go slowly, and if we if you exit the position in panic, then you will not gonna book a good target. If I will be sitting in this position, I will be sitting peacefully right now. I will be sitting, holding my hand and looking at the PNL going up and up. So, no issues. This is not the last trade that I am going to take. So let's see. I will update you if it reaches till 24,080. So as you can see, as per our planning, premium has gone till 141, and also our target, which is 24,080, has reached in the spot also. So which is a good thing, but probably if the entry would be in call option, I would be sitting on good profits right now. Nonetheless, whatever I have got is fair enough. But I can see a clear momentum towards 24,100, which is a decent profit if we'll be sitting in that also. But no worries. This is what market is. So people generally say that's why the market is a business of regret. Because if people will not regret, then market will not run. So after 80 breakout, it has given a good strength bullish breakout. So this is a fair thing. The premium has already gone till 149 or 150 something from 99 R entry. Can you imagine what how much 50 points I am getting right now? So no worries, days will come when we will capture that also. But as per our setup of what will happen in the next 5 minutes, we have captured good move. No worries about that.